Then turn your face and look at me. Nice. Then the other side. Nice. Then you can just look me direct. Okay. Bend your head down. Bend your head down. Nice, 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 nice. Everybody clap your hand. To do transition, but the transition gone bad, and you see, I asked her to clap her hands, but she couldn't. Okay, so I started the hair by patting it part by part and applying my gel. So we use gel instead of edge control, and after applying it, I use my toothbrush to brush it, make sure it's very smooth. And after brushing it, I had to tie it down to press it in and make sure it's going to last. Then you see the process is going, and I had to pat it again because I really, really want this hair to be so sharp and extremely beautiful. I don't want the packing gel to look as normal, like as usual packing gel. I want the packing gel to be like the ponytail to have different dimension, different hairstyle, different like a kind of different look, So, look at the baby hair, everything is just beautiful. And she was so happy. It's not that deep. She was not feeling fine, so her husband had to contact me to come and make her hair for her to look extremely beautiful for him. When someone is not good, is not feeling too well, and the person's face gonna change, everything is gonna change about the person. So the slightest thing you can actually do for the person to be fine, and she loves beauty. Look how gorgeous the hair is. The husband was really happy that, oh my god, my baby is looking gorgeous back again. The sickness is not much showing in your face. She was so happy. She was just flinging her hair. She was just showing people that my hair is cute. And mind you, this hair is not up to $10. Like the weave on we use at the back is not up to $10. Yeah, is that cheap, and everything was so beautiful. She was so happy. She was just so happy. She was just flinging the hair, and she was just turning over. She was just smiling. Okay, and I'm so glad that she contacted me to come and style her hair while she was sick. I'm so glad that the husband was so happy. And mind you, I was the one that made her up on our wedding. Can you see those photos right there? Even the one at the down, I was the one that made her up here, and they took picture in my studio. Okay. Then the other one, I was the one that made her up when she was doing a pre-wedding shoot. So we've been in this